Students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. Today in this video I am going to discuss problem from exercise 3.1 from chapter 3 for CBSE class 10 mathematics students. I already solved problem from 1 to 4. It is available in the playlist of my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss problem number 5, 6 and also the last problem 7 from exercise 3.1. The problem 5 given as of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. First information from the problem itself, of the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36. Another information, whose length is 4 meter more than its width. We have to find the dimension of the garden. Let the length of the garden be x and the breadth of the garden be y. Length of the garden be taken as x, breadth of the garden be taken as y. First information, perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36, but it is given of the perimeter. Since we know very well perimeter of rectangular garden is 2 times L plus B, length plus breadth, but here length is x, breadth is y, 2 times x plus y. Here it is given that of the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36 meter. That is, of the perimeter means of 2 times of x plus y equal to 36. 2 will get cancelled. We are getting one equation, x plus y equal to 36, equation 1. Also, in the problem itself it is given that length is 4 meter more than 4 meter more than its width. That is, length is x, it is more than its width means y plus 4. This is equation 2. From these two equations, solve the problem with the help of graphical method. Find the dimension of the garden. First equation, x plus y equal to 36. Find the point x, y. When x 0, y 36, y 0, x 36. From the second set equation, x equal to y plus 4, find the point x, y. When x 0, y minus 4. X 0 means y plus 4, y equal to minus 4. When y 0, x 4. I am going to plot the point with the help of graphical. I am going to find the solution for the problem. I am drawing the graph from the first equation. We are getting the point when x is 0, y 36, y 0, x 36. From the second equation, when x is 0, y minus 4, y 0, x 4. We mark the point, first point 0, 36, mark it as A. Second point 36, 0, mark it as B. When x4, y0, point number C. When x0, y minus 4, mark it as D. This is the point C. This is the point D. This is the point A. This is the point B. I am joining AB by a straight line. I am joining CD by another straight line. These two meet at one point, that is intersecting point. Intersecting point is 20, 16, that is x20, y16, that is x equal to 20 meter, y equal to 16 meter. X represent length is 20 meter, y represent breadth, the breadth is 16 meter. This is the answer for the problem number 5. Now I am going to discuss problem number 6. Then I will end with the exercise last problem number 7. Problem 6 given as, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that geometric representation of the pair so formed is first intersecting line, second parallel line, third one coincident line. We have to form another linear equation in such a way that the pair of linear equation must be intersecting. Second one parallel, third one coincident. This is simply nothing but we have to construct another linear equation such that given equation, another equation must be one pair. That pair should be first case intersecting, second case parallel, third one coincident. We have to construct another linear equation. Take it as 2. This one take it as 1. From 1 and 2 line should be intersecting. Again from 1 and 2 line should be parallel. Again from 1 and 2 line should be coincident. First case, for intersecting, what is the ratio? A1 by A2, B1 by B2 must be not equal. For second case, parallel, A1 by A2 which is equivalent to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. For third case, coincident, A1 by A2 which is equivalent to B1 by B2 which is equivalent to C1 by C2. What is given? 2x plus 3y minus 8 means which is equal to 8. For the first case, intersecting line ratio should be not equal. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Here, what is A1? 2. What is B1? 3. What is C1? 8. What is the condition for intersecting? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, the ratio must be not equal means A2 must be 3, B2 must be 2, C2 must be some 4. Now find the ratio. A1 by A2, 2 by 3, B1 by B2, 3 by 2, C1 by C2, 8 by 4. Condition is these two ratio not equal. 2 by 3, here 3 by 2, both are not equal. Therefore, the construction of second linear equation must be 3x plus 2y equal to 4, because C2 is 4, B2 is 2, A2 is 3. (2x plus 3y equal to 8) given equation. Here we have construct another equation 3x plus 2y equal to 4. If you compare the ratio, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2, therefore the lines are intersecting lines. In the same way we have to construct for parallel lines, the same way we have to construct for coincident lines. What about the parallel lines? The condition A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. For second case, parallel lines, what is the ratio? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. These two ratio equal but not equal to C1 by C2. Here A1 is 2, B1 is 3, C1 is 8. If these two must be equal means A1 by A2 must be equal to 2 by, to take it as some 4, which is equivalent to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 3 by 6, again 1 by 2. These two are equal but not equal to C1 by C2. C1 by C2, C1 8. If I take C2 some 24. See here 1 by 3. These two are equal but not equal to C1 by C2, because here we are having 1 by 3. Therefore A2 should be 4, B2 should be 6. Both are equal but not equal to C1 by C2, because here 8 by 24. After simplification I am getting 1 by 3. Construction of second linear equation is A2 4, B2 6, Y C2 24. 4x plus 6y equal to 24. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. After seeing the ratio, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for parallel lines. Therefore, construction of another linear equation for the second case is 4x plus 6y equal to 24. Now for third case, coincident line. What is given? 2x plus 3y equal to 8. Condition for coincident, all are equal. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Here what is a1? a1 is 2, a2 must be also same, so the ratio must be equal. b1 3, b2 must be same, c1 8, c2 must be same. If find the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 must be equal, so that line should be coincident. We have to construct such linear equation. If I take here, if I take 8, if I take here 12, if I take here 32, see, if we simplify 2 by 8, 1 by 4 for the ratio a1 by a2. If I simplify 3 by 12, what is the ratio? 1 by 4. If I simplify 8 by 32, answer is 1 by 4. All the ratio values are equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, condition for coincident is verified. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, a2 should be 8, b2 should be 4, c2 should be 32. The construction of second linear equation, 8x plus not here 8, b2 should be not 4, error, b2 should be 12, c2 should be 32, then only all are equal. 8x plus 12y equal to 32. Therefore, second linear equation is 8x plus 12y plus 32. First given equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 8. If you compare the ratio, all the ratios are equal. Therefore, third condition, third case, coincident lines is verified. Therefore, our third equation should be, for third condition, third subdivision, coincident line, second linear equation is of the form 8x plus 12y equal to 32. For parallel line, 4x plus 6y equal to 24. For intersecting line, already I have proved in this video for intersecting lines. Therefore, for the problem number 6, I have constructed 3 different lines in such a way that it has been satisfied with the intersecting lines, it has been satisfied with the parallel line, it has been satisfied with the coincident line. Now I am going to discuss last problem, 7th one in this video.